Yeah, at the school right here, the fire alarm is going off. Yeah, we got a Honneywell voice evacuation system. Yes, you can see this beat up Wheelock AS right here. That ended up on Fire Alarm Fails episode 9 from We Were Fire Alarms. And this is not going. So this should get replaced. And do not ask the location of the school, because if you do, you will be blocked. I just don't want to tell you the location. It's for privacy reasons. Yeah, we're gonna go. Yeah, we got L series speaker strobes. There used to been a Faraday system. Over there used to been a Spectralert Classic, and over there used to been some Faraday horn. The pole stations used to been Faraday Chevrons. I'm gonna go back to the front of the building. Okay, so I'm gonna probably end this video. So see you in the next one. We're out.